recording you.
I fight anyone here.
Sexy white man.
Fail at life.
You walk
Fail.
it off
Suck up,
how
suck
you
up.
know your
Look.
friend. Use a
Fail
weapon.
at life.
That's you? Kissing each other.
No! Quit it! No PBA! Quit it! This is going to be going on YouTube, and then I'm gonna post it on Facebook, and everybody's gonna be like, "Ew."
Let's make a porno.
No! I'm good. What the fuck? They're not gonna let this video go on YouTube.
Probably not.
You should try anyway.
See how long it lasts.
Okay. Look at these nipples.
Look at them.
I feel like kicking you square in the nuts.
Wait. Sako, do it again.
Now it's not.
Wait, where is it?
That's not going on YouTube.
It will. It's going to.
Okay, well, I'm gonna be right back. Okay?
No!
Pause.
Well,
No,
it's
pause.
Quit it! This is going on YouTube, and they're not going to accept it if you keep doing that.
You know what? They'd probably accept it. There's a lot more things you can find on YouTube.
There's 18 plus videos on there.
Okay, people keep telling me to go look at the video 2 Girls, 1 Cup,
I'm good.
Oh my
and I can't find it, but I don't know what's
That's
wrong
because
with
it's
it.
off the internet by government law.
What's wrong with it? What
it's
happened?
that bad.
What happened?
Do chicks shit in a cup, then drink it,
Oh, that is so wrong!
and then throw it back up and drink it again?
Andrew, get this. Have you seen BME
Me and my
Paralympics?
Okay.
Have you seen BME Paralympics?
No, and I don't want to, and I know what it is.
I have. That is disgusting. Oh
Did I
my!
send you the link for that? Yeah.
That scarred me for life.
Exactly.
Go to meatspin.com.
Have you seen
No!
Why?
Paralympics?
This is dirty.
It sounds dirty, but it's not.
What's wrong with you being on camera?
Because
Quit!
I don't like my.
Ew!
Calm down. That's why you have